that we're looking right now with all of the renovations, we're at approximately $2 million. That includes all the renovations, the technology, the furniture, ceiling tiles, the ceiling of the building.
The new paint is different, and then you see the signage on the walls. You got home in the blue and gray, the KHS there. This whole a new kind of hot section over here. It says Kirby Cafe. This is new. And then the laminate wraps on the posts. The tables are brand new tables. There's a 90-inch Promethean board at the front of the cafeteria, which is technology, the new sound systems. A lot of the rooms have these hover cams, which do a number of different things as well. They record. It's like a document camera where the teacher can work here and then students can see on the screen what the teachers are working on. And I'm not doing it as much justice as I could do it because it does a whole lot more than just that. And in addition to the Z spaces that you saw in the library, which is the 3D kind of augmented reality that we have. The teachers were trained yesterday on the technology, and the things this is going to be they'll be able to do now with some of the stuff that we have now is really gonna push students to another level.